like this is actually specific for India actually. And here, like we'll start this session now. So what actually AI agents like will do? AI agent is nothing but you could take example of let's say like for OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI agent, and like for Microsoft Copilot and for Google it's Gemini. The same way you could have your own AI agent, and like what like we'll see like we'll understand it clearly like once we get into demo and into practicals. And before we start this AI agent, let's say like you need to have an OpenAI API key. And for that OpenAI API key, like since like we had already discussed in the previous sessions of how to generate OpenAI API key, like you had to add your card and everything. So I just mentioned here you had to follow the step of like prerequisites before making a finance model. So you had to just get into this step. You had to go for OpenAI API key. You have to get an OpenAI API key. Since like I already created an API key, like it'll be visible only once. You had to copy it, and like if you, in case if you lost it, only thing is you had to create new key, and there's no other go. So that's how like you'll generate your OpenAI API key, and once it is done, what I suggested is like for this demo especially, like we'll be using Jupyter Notebook inside our local, and for that, like we'll be downloading Anaconda. I think like if you're into Python and other sources, you might be aware of Anaconda. So like once you download it, since mine is Mac, I downloaded for Mac. You could download for like Windows or something like you need. And like once